In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add search bar to your Shopify. Now this is very easy and quick. First, select the store. Now the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels. Now next thing, guys, you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Now you want to search for smart search. Now this is the app that we want to download so that we can add search bar to our Shopify. Click on it. And then you want to click on add app. Now next thing, guys, you want to click on install app in the top right. After that, a few different options will come up here. Scroll down a little bit and click on next. And then you can select here, as you can see, video test, as in this is my store name. For example, what you want here, for example, just going to instant share, collection filters, custom search bar. Click custom search bar. Now after you click, guys, on custom search bar, click on start. Just click on X. I'm going to explain to you how to use this. Now, as you can see, the trial will end in 30 days. Click on design, and here you can customize it. Okay, you can customize the color, you can customize every single thing you want, and you want to click on save in the top right. And as you can see, the save this will be saved. Now next thing you want to do, guys, you want to just go to your store, and you will find that your store now has the search bar in the top right. I'm going to check that right now. As you can see, my store now has search. I can search for anything I want. Because I don't have any product, it's not allowing me. So that's exactly, guys, how you can add search bar to your Shopify. See you guys.